Sorting out taxonomy. Illinois lizards. In a previous series of podcasts, the topic of taxonomy was discussed. This podcast will focus on the taxonomy of Illinois lizard species, including the 7 main classification categories: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. We will also use the suborder category. Not all scientists agree with this classification scheme, and it is subject to change upon receipt of new information. Lizards are classified in the kingdom Animalia, the animals, phylum Chordata, the vertebrates, and class Reptilia, the reptiles. In Illinois, the reptiles contain turtles, snakes, and lizards. These organisms develop from an amniotic egg, which is either deposited on land or retained within the female for the extent of its development. The egg provides everything the embryo needs to develop. The shell of a reptile egg deposited on land is leathery. Fertilization is internal. Reptiles are covered in scales, and their skin is dry. Snakes and lizards are members of the order Squamata. The snakes and lizards have dry, scaly skin. Their lower jaw is attached by a special bone that allows the mouth to open very wide. Although we have learned throughout our taxonomic journey, species in the same order have more traits in common than they do with other species in the same class. Sometimes, the appearance of organisms can help you easily separate them into groups. For example, although they are all reptiles, turtles really look nothing like snakes or lizards. They are placed in the order Testudines. Snakes and lizards, in the order Squamata, can be hard to differentiate by sight. Other traits are needed to further classify snakes and lizards. Snakes and lizards are different enough that they are placed in suborders. Snakes in the suborder Serpentes, and lizards in the suborder Lacertilia. Recent taxonomic work shows that there are 27 lizard families worldwide. 6 of those families are represented in Illinois: family Anguidae, family Crotaphytidae, family Geckonidae, family Phrynosomatidae, family Cincidae, and family Tiaidae. Let's look at each one. The family Anguidae contains the glass lizards. The glass lizards have a bony plate in each scale and a groove along each side of the body. The tail is easily broken off the body. In Illinois, this family has 1 genus and 1 species. The slender glass lizard is the Illinois species of this lizard family. The collared lizards are classified in the family Crotaphytidae. They are native to the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. They move very quickly on their long legs, and the tail is long too. Some of them can even run just on their hind legs. The eastern collared lizard is a non-native resident in Illinois. There are more than 950 types of geckos in the family Geckonidae. Although found worldwide, geckos in Illinois are not native to the state. Their toes are covered with tiny hairs that create suction as the animal walks, allowing it to climb on nearly all surfaces. Geckos are the only lizards with vocal cords. They can regenerate their tail if it is broken off, and they replace their teeth regularly. The Mediterranean gecko is now found in Illinois. Sagebrush and spiny lizards are in family Phrynosomatidae. These lizards have teeth along the lower jaw. They communicate with each other by body movements. Containing only 1 genus and 1 species in the state, the eastern fence lizard is the only Illinois representative of this lizard family. The members of the family Cincidae, the skinks, have smooth overlapping scales. Their tail may be easily broken off the body. This family is the only lizard family with multiple species in Illinois. There are 2 genera and 3 species. Here are those Illinois species. Members of the family Tiaidae are racerunners and whiptails. These species are medium-sized lizards. They have a long tail. The scales on the body are tiny. Illinois has 1 genus and 1 species in this family. The 6-lined racerunner resides in Illinois. For more information about Illinois lizard species, you can go to our website and click on the A to Z button. Scroll down to the KLMN block and select Lizards, Educational Resources. On the Educational Resources for Illinois Lizards page, you will find links to our Kids for Conservation pages from May 2019, Illinois Lizards. Click here to get to the Wild About Illinois Lizards webpage. There are links to the podcast and activity books as well. Also from the IDNR Division of Education's main webpage, you can select the Species Search button. Once you are on the species search page, select classification reptiles and subclassification lizards. You will see numerous links with more information about Illinois lizard species.